Let's sing a song, Vietnam, Ho Chi Minh.
Ho Chi Minh.
Is it easier than Ho Chi Minh?
Ho Chi Minh.
Ho Chi Minh.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I told you something. You know the way from the hotel to here, right? First color, you turn right a little bit. That's in the beer corner. We call beer street.
Beer
In
street.
the evening, a lot of people, young people, Vietnamese people, tourists, go sitting on the roadside. On the road, because they close. No vehicle. They're drinking the beer, enjoy. That's a very good place to enjoy. Highly recommend. Okay, and this way to now, go straight here. That is the Hoàn Kiếm Lake, the most beautiful lake, and we can walk around, see the people dancing, the music playing
Samba.
there at the weekend. Okay, see, follow me now.
Oh, follow me, follow you. I follow you. Ibig sabihin, paliyo na. Sa likod mo ako, paliyo.
Lakad pa tayo? Hindi ba ba't naman na?
Ayan, oh.
Isang pin lang.
So, pahirapan magtawid dito mga katropa. Pahirapan tumawid. Oh, yan na. Yan na. Ayan na. Pahirapan tumawid dito mga katropa. Hindi humihinto. Diretso. Sa atin, humihinto pa eh. Dito, walang hinto-hinto. Pag tumawid sa kalsada dito mga katropa, diretso lang yan.
This is shoe street. Anytime if you need a new shoes, you can come to Dubai. But I say first. Okay. That's okay. And you can bag it here on Shoe Street.
Okay, let's go. Gamit naman na. Vlog ka na ba? Doon naman tayo. Magdal-dal-dal ka lang. Halika na, let's go na. Puno ba? Na-charge mo? Hindi. Ubat na yan. Puno na sa akin. 60 pa. Matagal pa yan. Ito kasi di na-charge. Kagabi pa. Ay, ayun. Pupunta na kami sa this way. This way. I love you. Class A. Ha? Pulis. May pulis mga katropa. May pulis.
Here's the whole time they have a 1 convenience store with COVID mask. So you can come in.
100K.
600.
Yan. Pesos.
Mga pambabae.
So, punta na tayo sa lake mga katropa. Then, yun. Lalakad lang. Ay, meron daw mga sumasayaw, nagsusumba. Parang sa Pilipinas din mga katropa.
I want you to get a taxi. But you need to buy 3 days before you fly back home.
Daming bag dito Ay, sombrero Dami sombrero.
Nagkaroon ng baso. Okay sa'yo.
Dami mga dito, mga Kipling Kipling. Kaya pala Kipling
Ito maganda
Woohoo! Dami candies.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we cross the road to see the most beautiful lake in Hanoi, and I give you some story there.
Burnham Park pala to
Okay, close your eye and follow me.
Hinto. Parang nasa Burnham Park Burnham Park. Hindi pala ni. Diba? At the view, pag lasing ka dyan, sigurado. Lag ka dyan talaga. Di ko sure kung may mga tilapia dito, pero wala, alam ko wala siguro. Kasi ano eh, para siyang ano eh. May isda nga. May isda nga. Ano? Wow.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, to have you more understand about the show, we're going to see in 10 more minutes. I tell you one story now to explain about this lake on the bus. We go past very fast. I cannot explain. And I already tell you, this is the most beautiful lake in Hanoi. We go with the name Hoan Kiem Lake. Before 15th century, Hoan Kiem. Before 15th century, we go with the name Blue Water Lake in Vietnamese. So now, just 5 minutes maximum for photo here. After that, we need to go inside the water puppet theater to see the show, because I can say that it's one of the most highlight show in Hanoi with the beautiful music. Okay, see,
Let's go.
one of the group photo here, please.
Okay.
Let's sing a song, Vietnam, Ho Chi Minh.
Ho Chi Minh.
This is easier than Ho Chi Minh.
Ho Chi Minh.
Ho Chi Minh.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I told you something. You know the way from the hotel to here, right? You see the traffic lights over there. The red traffic light, you see? On the right side, and it's a nice market. They have a nice market, long market kilometer. So that's why tomorrow you can come. Okay, now you also can come tomorrow.
Nice.
Maraming people bukas kasi Saturday bukas.
May ano bukas, sarado to bukas. Kaya masarap pumunta dito. Maraming tao, ano yun dyan?
Ay, sit lang. Hindi mo
ano mayroon dito? Dini? Daming tao ah. Ha?
nanonood ng patek.
Daming tao.
Nanonood ng picture mo.
Oo. Ito yung ano, dito manonood tayo ng show. Show, Sini. Sa mga tropa, yung hat na ganyan maganda oh.
Okay, later. Okay, ladies and gentlemen.
Okay, makinig.
Will buy many. 300 rupees.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is our water puppet ticket. So our row is the M, okay? From M9 to M18. So you are couple, right? So M9, M10. So couple, ticket in hand, then you check. Oh, couple. You couple single, anyone.
Single.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Triple.
Okay. Okay, now let's go in.
Let's go. Okay.
Yeah, take it off.
Okay.
So, not enough.
Okay. So bawal ang camera sa taas. Balikan ko kayo mamaya. Let's go. So done show mga katropa. So bawal lang kasi videohan ko sa likod, sa loob. So wala, ano lang, pinapatay yung camera ko. Tapos na yung show mga katropa. Ang daming tao. So yan, manonood pa sila mga katropa yan. Parang unang show kami nanood, tapos meron pang pangalawa. Yan, ang dami yung nakapila sila mga katropa. So hindi ko lang sure kung mag-dinner na kayo ngayon. Mag-dinner or wala po sa atin pupunta. Let's go!
Maricel!
Ayan, tapos na. So, ito yung ganda din talaga ng Vietnam mga katropa. So, syempre, pag nagpunta ka sa isang lugar na maganda, ma-amaze ka talaga. Kasi, maganda naman talaga. Diba?
So everyone enjoy the water puppy show.
Yes! Rolling ice cream pala yung mga tropa.
100 pesos, dinawaran ako. Ito, babalik na kami.
Tawid. Tayo. Ay.
So, di ko alam kung saan kami pupunta ngayon. So, baka mag-dinner na kami or what.
150. Oh, I know.
Ganda, di ba? Cross the road. Yan, hirapan magtawid ang kalsada dito. Kasi
Anyone want to buy any shoes?
ito yung pilihan ng mga sapatos, mga katropa, na para siyang Marikina shoes. Ayan o. Diba, nakita niya ba yan? Mga balat na para siyang Marikina shoes. Marami mga iba-ibang branded dito, mga brand dito na tsinelas saka sapatos, ang dami. So, yun, di ba? Pakasaya dito sa Vietnam, madami mga mapupuntang magagandang mga magagandang lugar, mga katropa. Maganda lang sa hotel na nagpinag-stayhan namin, mga katropa, kasi nasa sentro talaga kami. Ayan o. Ito yung mga building, sa city talaga kami, kaya walang problema pagka naghanap ka ng makakainan, gusto mo mag-shopping dito sa street na to, nandito na lahat. Kaya goods na goods yung hotel na kinuha ng tour guide namin, mga katropa. Ganda dito.
This is like coffee.
Ganda.
A lot of people they like coconut ice cream.
Okay.
And coconut coffee from this. Yeah, this one, if you want to try, so you can come. A lot of people tell me they got very good coconut coffee and coconut ice cream.
Okay.
I'm not good for, but tourists tell me.
Coconut ice cream and coconut coffee. Sabihin kasi, yung coconut na yun, mga katropa, yun yung parang pinaka-milk niya. Yun.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we just waiting for a few minutes. The bus coming. Okay, bus right here. And bus, we need 30 minutes from here to the restaurant. Our booking is 7 o'clock.
Wow. Okay, ay, iba na pala itong bus na to. Siya pa rin.
Okay, let's go.
Going to restaurant, mama.
Naiihi na ako.
Thank you, mami. Big tilapia. Salad.
So now I am in the first floor.
Same lang naman yung pagkain natin sa Pilipinas. So yan, kain ba tayo? Let's go.